Oh,
Jesus Christ on a cracker! Oh dear God! Sweet semen of baby Jesus! Get yourself a wrap!
wow. You're almost good. Holy crap. Wow. Oh no.
Oh my God, it counted!
Wow.
Hey, who did
All right, we need to redo the code.
Yes, because we were absolutely redoing that. That was terrible.
Oh.
Which is, I mean, you still won. Let me not invalidate your win
I was
at
taking the
all.
win, but fuck, that was awful.
Yeah, there's no way we're leaving that in.
There was no commentary. I was yelling about baby Jesus semen.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we'll leave that part in.
What? Can we just replace you with segregate again?
Lyman's going silent.
For all flavor. It might just have to be, we might have to just abuse the, actually no, we can't even abuse the fact that it's like, you skip a line whenever you go up or down a rank.
No,
Because it also just completely,
it screws with me hard.
it screws me, it screws everyone hard. Okay, good, we're going fully so far. Got the rope. This video better get views. Got trim. I know I need to commentate, but it's also just like, I want you to manage to get through it.
Yeah.
So it's like, I don't want to distract you from the actual rhythm, but it's just like, well, we got through it without going awful. That's a step up.
It is a step.
Gotta find the optimistic side, as I always do. Gotta make the best out of a bad situation.
There we go.
Okay, come on, we're trimming. Cutting and trimming. Need to pass this, you need to save yourself the work later. Or we might have to rehire Gary.
God. Oh, wow.
Oh, no.
And I lost.
Think about this, when we finish it off, it'll be real nice to get off the board.
Yes, it will.
Which for the viewers now, we can say we have a board. We're not going to show you the board ever, but we have a board for the projects. This is just something you gotta think about. You can recommend things for the board, but we might not put them up there, or we might. We won't tell you, though. I just had to find something to talk about for the board. Otherwise, we're just gonna be going insane trying to cut this hair. Please get cool, please get cool! Aww. I want to defeat this hair wizard. The wizard of hair, the hairy lizard man. Even though he's an octopus. We're getting there. Good start. The mix. God, every time I see the humans in this series, they're so friggin' ugly. Fuck! Just like this octopus.
What? Really? How?
I don't understand. Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow and just okay, game, whatever. Getting better.
No.
Getting worse. Oh, I hate this flow.
What?
I'm leaving this haircut salon a bad review on Yelp after this. It's gonna be like that.
Why can't I do it? I'm going to beat this.
Woo! I just want to understand. You're tearing me apart, Lisa. You're tearing me apart, Octopus Man. Papa, Octopus Man, you're tearing apart like you're tearing apart these sick beats on the floor. Please, just cut my hair normally.
Motherfucker!
Cut it out, Octopus Man. I really wish it didn't do the whole, like, getting better or getting worse thing. Because it throws off all the flow. Like, it completely takes your flow and just, like, destroys everything for, like, comeback. Like, I get the idea is, like, to give you a second to, like, get ready again, but you don't get that get ready time. Give it. Oh, I was gonna say, this seems like an easy chance to get free, what's it called? Freestyle points, but... Oh, come on! Keep it moving. Okay, good.
Shit.
Oh no.
I failed. I failed.
It works. That like pause thing works when you have a long thing to get you ready again. But if with like how like the last two songs have been just go 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 go, it completely just destroys you because you at that point you're not playing rhythm, you're playing reaction. You're playing a QTE at that point.
1 hour later.
Fuck you! You stupid fucking octopus!
You're not allowed to woo. Only I get to woo.
Not allowed to be happy.
I am the one who woos. Woos all over the place. It's disgusting, actually.
Oh my god! I made it!
Get it going. It's gonna be, of course, when I'm not walking. Watching?
Fuck!
Oh.
Getting better. Give him my best shot.
Oh my
Give
God.
us a record, 'cause I'm the one to bring out the
Oh my God.
Flavor for my people. Come on, kids, let's shot for the final. Give it before with the shampoo. With the shampoo. I made you look resort. I made you red hot. Dry your hair up, blow your hair out. Dry up down, blow up and down. Dye your hair up, blow your hair down, up and down. Dye down. Keep the line moving. Keep the line. I'm not up, my body's not up. Just move it. I'm not up, my body's not up. Just move it. To head, like it up, back and front. Cut hair, back and up, back and front. Give you a burner. Give you the burner. Give a burner. Give the burner. And we're done. And we're done.
What?
Oh no.
Head to head, like it up, back and front. Cut hair, like it up, back and front. Give you a burner. Give you a burner. Give a burner. Give the burner. And we're done. And we're
Oh.
God damn it, I was so close.
You will not be defeated by this game. Well, this is better than watching Mallow for an hour.
It's really not, because I'd be in amongst the party doing stuff.
True.
I promise you, everything will be alright. Okay, baby, let's go. We're going to do like this.
I can't believe Mallow has upgraded from 4th worst character on both sorcery to 5th worst. Squiddish took in spot 4. Actually, wait. Yeah, with the parents. He might be just 4th, yeah. So yeah, Mallow's now 4th. This is 3rd. But it feels weird to say it's 3rd when 1st and 2nd are tied. Trim.
When is the timing on that? How did I pull that off?
I don't know. I'm not gonna question it. Just get to rapping full and cutting.
He knows what it's all about.
Does he though? I don't think he knows shit.
Fuck! Literally got left and right mixed up. Lovely. Yeah, I am.
Getting better.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Let's try it. This time with feeling. Really soon this octopus's hair.
Yeah, that was pretty good. All right. Yeah, I didn't hit it fast enough.
Oh my god!
Wow.
It's done! We're free!
Who did all of this?
We need all of
That's pretty
these.
good. You did. You told me to.
And we shall see you for the next song. Oh my god.
Hope you enjoyed the compilation. Or the swoop.
Yes!
I don't want this shit. I know what's coming up next.
Checking.
Is this the welcome back? Do we give them the welcome back to the song?
Let's figure it out.
Welcome back to Bullets and Sorcery are punishing themselves for not being big enough.
Welcome to Bullets and...
Bullets and Pain.
Bullets and pain, yeah. I mean, bullets will cause pain, yes.
Yes. But especially these. Yep, that's different. Cut the lettuce and throw! Toast the buns!
Cook burgers, French the fry. Cook burgers, French the fry. Cook burgers, throw.
Cook burgers, French the fry. Cook burgers, French the fry. Cook burgers.
Vomit of words.
Pretty much. This is word salad the mission.
Throw. Heat the grill. Heat the grill.
Heat the grill!
Heat the grill. Heat the grill.
For the love of all that is holy, heat the grill.
Please heat the grill.
To come to your knees.
I don't want to come to my knees to this fucking onion.
Well, he's romantic and dramatic.
Writing rhymes in the attic.
Holy crap. That's a lot of button presses.
Hug hands and kiss. Hold tight and love. Hold hands and love and kick tight and hug.
Hey, nice.
Oh, dear Lord.
Bring on the funk!
Bring on, bring on, bring on the funk. Don't forget, don't hype, forget, don't.
Okay, doing good so far.
The master is original. Master hype, keep us unforgettable.
Wow. You are kicking the shit out of this thing.
Whew.
People are changing the world with crime, violence, anger, and hunger, or whatever.
I mean, crime is the quickest way to get change happening.
Uh-huh. It's not good change, but it is
It
change.
will cause change.
Hold the level, hold the level, hold the level, whatever.
Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up.
Did we ever actually learn his name?
No. Wow.
A TV show.
He really wants to watch his TV show. Here we go. This is where you began to fail. Or we began to fail, I suppose. Oh, that's easy as fuck.
Really is.
I call shenanigans. Okay, never
There we go.
mind.
You got a second arrest.
Wow. Sound like you're having a rhythmic seizure. Oh my god, he's got rhythm Tourette's.
Rhythm Tourette's. Rhythm Tourette's.
Yes,
Rivettes, if you will.
rhythets.
I want to give someone
Here we
Rivette's
go.
name.
This had better be nearly impossible. Okay, that's pretty hard. Wow. I feel like this is easy. Not that we're on easy difficulty, but that like this particular one is easy.
Yep. Oh, I finally lost it.
Yep.
My freestyle was not immaculate enough.
No. You didn't sound like you were having rhythmic Tourette's. You were just having Tourette's.
Normal Tourette's.
Wow.
I'll take it. Get me out of here.
I hate.
Thank you, Dad.
You are very upset.
I'm not okay.
You want to take a crack at it?
I'm not okay.
Go, talk to the Chinese noodle man.
Not okay. Fuck you, onion boy. Tamanegi. Boy.
Literally meaning onion. What a bastard.
Yeah, I know. He's literally just onion sensei. We'll see you guys in the next song. Unless I KMS myself. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Good luck, Parappa.
Oh my god. Okay, everybody shut up!
All right, we'll be quiet at the top of the show. After being yelled at and you yelling at Ty for so much of this channel's history to talk and express your feeling, shut the fuck up. We got rhythm to do, baby.
Right.
We gotta hear about this slippery little thing that I really don't like.
Stay with me now. Here we go.
I don't want to stay with you.
I don't want to stay with you or your slippery little thing.
Let me stress the fact clearly. No matter what the deal, I crave for this.
Dearly.
The so-called noodles that you find in spaghetti are sweeter than idols.
They're not.
Like machetes.
They don't.
Without a doubt, I got the flow.
There's so much intro to the song. That's the infuriating part. Because you see, if we ever fail, we gotta watch.
What do you
this
mean
entire
if?
thing.
It's me.
As my followers.
I apparently suck now.
Suck it. I know you like it. Suck it. Suck it. I know we like it. Smell the
Okay, yeah, that was bad.
pasta in the market.
Smell it, taste it, fruit in a
Basket.
basket.
That's
There
right.
we go.
Italian,
Mexican,
Really?
Egyptian,
Thai, or Jamaican.
English, Korean,
Anything goes.
anything goes.
Even Hawaiian.
Even Alaska.
It's weird that it didn't change that at
That
all.
was normal. I just
Yeah.
Chop suey. Even
I don't think that's ever changed through any of the difficulties.
Yeah, it's always been the same.
can't be beat.
DJ PJ!
It's just fluff there is in this song.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's so much fluff. Oh
I'd
my
better
gosh.
not fail.
Like it's food, brother.
Create your food.
Create my boom.
Noodles the rule.
I bet you didn't know. I bet you didn't know.
Sushi tastes good. Burger tastes good.
Pizza tastes good.
I still have yet to actually try sushi.
It's good.
The king of all food.
As long as they love food, as long as anything cool, anything
Hip hop music with an
That I'm okay that it
Listen, I'm
counted
just
in.
not complaining. Let's just move on. Move on, get a groove on with the rhythm on.
Yes. Come on.
down with the mix. N-O-O-D-L-L-E-S.
T-O-O-K-I-I-E-S.
Great, great.
Can't
Okay.
believe it gave me that.
Great, great taste is sweet. Flow to my
Ramen, udon.
All right.
brownies.
I feel like they only really made the beginning part like way extra.
Any type of sweets.
You like
But then
it.
again, who
God.
knows? We can always. Never mind. We're running into it. The game said, "Hey, wait a second."
Oh, it gave it to me. Woohoo!
Whatever your thoughts may be, I'm bound to be the king
Maybe.
of all foods with my noodles as the key.
As the key.
Cause here I come, y'all, full of noodles and love.
Love.
I wish I was full of noodles.
There we go.
Ask me why. Noodles got the best, can't
He
deny.
has to get sprayed twice.
Don't ask you why. No,
Ah, that's funny.
can't deny.
But then again, many things can't be tasty. Cornbread, potatoes, rice, and even tasty pastries.
But then again, anything can taste cornbread, potatoes, spice, they even taste pastries.
So why do I
Uh-oh.
love noodles so dearly? It makes no sense, I must sound real eerie.
Now, why do you love noodles so dearly? It makes sense, and you must have sounded real eerie.
Thanks, brother,
Welcome, brother.
to let me understand.
The awkward silence. But thanks, brother. You're welcome, bro.
And the man understand to keep his options open. To keep his options open.
Shit!
It still lets you through. There we go.
Next song.
That sounds like a lot of mopping.
Bleed and spit and cry. Want all my fluids on the
Shit
floor.
and piss.
Shit, piss, come.
Shit, piss, come and cry all at the same time.
Yep.
What did she do to you?
You really want to know?
No. Baby, I need to know how to empty all my fluids at once.
Okay, so what she does is she grabs your balls.
It takes you to the final party.
It's the final party.
Says ho ho ho.
It's the final party.
Welcome back.
This is it. Back once again. The
Final
final
party.
party. You're all gonna die because
Oh,
he's put
mama.
web on the floor. Because he's a spider.
Yep. That's what these
Everybody
movies
say
are.
ho ho. Say ho ho
Ho, ho,
ho.
ho. Merry
It's Christmas. Yep. Oh, yeah. Why did we choose to do this?
I don't know. I think because the burger up sound even more like real
sounds
music.
so hardcore and cool. And then if you're going to do the burger song, you might as well do the rest, right?
Yeah.
Right? And then I have insane levels of fucking competitiveness where I'm like, no, I'm getting this song. Wow, dude.
I'm really trying to abuse
Now,
freestyle.
just imagine when you have to, like when he does the thing where you say it first.
Oh my god.
It's coming, James.
I don't want to think about that. I'm gonna cry.
Oh, you're making Sonny sad. Oh, but Lammy's happy with you. Good. Get rid of Sonny and go with Lammy. Lammy deserves all the attention. God, I love you, Lammy. This is where we find out that I'm not only a furry, I'm a very specific furry for Lammy.
You're only a furry for
And Lammy only!
Not a fan of Katie?
No. Katie Cat.
Oh, it's Katie?
Katie Cat.
I don't remember their
Yes,
names.
it's Katie Cat.
I only remember Parappa and Lammy. It's like, sweet God!
Yeah. Hey, there you go. Holy crap.
Woo, mama!
Oh yeah, I should mention we watched the Parappa anime and it
It was terrible.
terrible.
It was so
Not even
bad.
like ironically good. It was
It didn't even like have
terrible.
anything with the like source material. It felt like
seriously, they took a rapping Japanese dog and made it uninteresting. Okay. Okay.
I'm waiting for it to make me
Yeah.
start. I'm just butt clenched.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh. Party over there, party over there, party over there, party over there.
Really?
Wow.
Did he get louder?
I guess. Hey. What are you gonna do? Oh. Oh no!
Got me. Fuck.
Oh no, James! Oh no! Oh, James! Restart, restart, restart! Oh my god.
Well, it was awful, so I think it would offer to restart anyways.
Oh, I see.
I'm sorry.
I didn't know.
Got to the end.
You got fucked by the Parappa leading.
It does. It's because there's no warning on it. Just go, asshole. So we know it's like right after Parappa starts hoeing. He starts hoeing out here. Selling his body to the streets.
I would not pay for that. I
I
gotta
don't
be
think
honest.
anyone would.
Sonny might.
Actually, no. There's probably a specific group of people who find Parappa attractive, and in that case, go to jail directly. Do not collect 200.
Yeah.
You fucking furry pedophile.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, left, do right. Oh,
Can't believe that counted.
I'm not complaining.
Not stopping.
I hate that his music is literally.
Motherfucker!
No wonder Parappa's a good rapper. You like the big like rapping idol. Main lyric is counting.
To 10.
Exactly.
I don't even remember you doing this part of the
I don't
song.
remember either.
You notice how Lammy's still smiling with him, even when he's doing bad?
It's like, I understand.
That's true love!
That she's been through this, so she understands. I understand rapping bad and playing bad. I feel your pain, Parappa, don't worry. Sonny would never understand. I'm the new Sonny now. Just starts putting on like a fake flower costume.
Okay.
Okay.
Hell yeah, he does. His name is Kenny.
Parappa,
He
Kenny.
fixed my toilet.
Yeah. Parappa really a hero? I guess, yeah, in this game he did stop the noodle invasion now that I think about it. So I guess he's legally a hero. Get and unite.
Fuck.
Let's all get down. Start just rap salad, go.
Wrap salad. Okay. Got this. Got this. I do have to admit, I still like this song.
It's
not
bad.
as good as the Burger song.
Yeah.
But what is?
Exactly. It's like, you know, Chop Master Onion way far down and Burger way far up, so it's like, okay, how's the middle of this burger?
Yeah.
Or the experience.
Okay. I was waiting for it, and I still fucking
get
missed
messed
it.
up by it.
Fuck!
Oh, I love that they also repeat your failure.
I did it!
Woo! We're done!
And you don't have my insane levels of pride, so you don't have to play through till you win! Oh my god!
We did it!
Maybe it's not pride.
Spike.
Maybe it's a deep buried spite. Yeah. Wow. Anyway, that was Parappa the Rapper 2 on Ultra Hard mode.
On the Ultra Hard mode. Hope y'all enjoyed.
Seriously, if you watch that, like, comment, and subscribe. I don't even care. Just like, comment, and subscribe.
Tell us how bad we did
Please.
anything.
For the love of dirt! Bye.